Namaste everyone, Suprabhatam. In 18th chapter, so far we have seen Shloka 1 to 12 have talked about Karma Yoga. 13th to 17th have given summary of Jnana Yoga. So actually summary of entire Bhagavad Gita is done. But now from Shloka number 18 up to Shloka number 40, Bhagavan is given summary of Bhagavad Gita from a different angle. 7 topics will be talked about, and each topic will be divided into 3 groups. What are the 3 groups? Sattvika, Rajasika and Tamasika. So here Bhagavan is saying that whatever human activities are done, transactions are done, they are of 2 types. One is knowing process, another one is doing process. So we first know about some object, people, situation. Based on the knowledge, then we develop, either we develop like towards that raga, or we develop dvesha, dislike towards that. And based on that, activities are inspired. Through, if I develop like, I'll be going after that object or person. If I develop dislike, then I'll be going away from that object or situation. But any action is possible only after knowledge has taken place. Like, suppose, have you heard of this place called Timbuktu? How many of you know about Timbuktu? I hope none of you. Pujya Swamiji used this example. Timbuktu is such a place about which we do not know. So if I ask you, do you like Timbuktu? There will be no answer. If I say, do you dislike Timbuktu? Again, no answer, because you do not know what is Timbuktu, how it looks like. So first, janati, we know about something. Then desire is developed, ichhati, and then we do activities. And based on these principles only, lakhs and crores of rupees are being spent by the companies for advertisement. Why? So again and again, when you start seeing the object, you develop knowledge about the object. Initially, you may feel like, I don't need it, I don't want it. But again, repeated exposure, okay, I want it, maybe later I will purchase. And then you find yourself finally buying that product. So that is the principle involved. Now let us see this Shloka Pada Vichcheda. Jnanam, Karma, Cha, Karta, Cha, त्रिधा एव गुणभेदतः प्रोच्यते गुणसंख्याने यथावत् शृणु तान्यपि. So doing process involves 3 factors: the subject, object and instrument. Similarly, the knowing process also involves 3 factors: subject, object and the instrument. So Bhagavan is going to talk about all the factors. Here Bhagavan is introducing that 3 topics I am going to start now talking about, which can be classified into Sattvika, Rajasika and Tamasika. What are they? Jnanam, the knowledge; Karma, the action; Cha, and Karta, the subject. To the subject, action and knowledge. About these 3 topics, I am going to talk about Tridha Eva. They are of 3 types. On what basis they are of 3 types? Guna Bhedataha, based on the gunas, means Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. Prochyate Guna Sankhyanē. Guna Sankhyanē Prochyate, which has been talked about in the Sankhya philosophy, that system of knowledge where gunas have been explained. Yathavat Shrunu Tan Api. Tan Api Shrunu. May you listen to that also. Yathavat, as told by me. Here one important thing we have to learn. Guna Sankhyanē. Sankhya philosophy and Vedanta, there is a fundamental difference. Sankhya philosophy do not accept Atma and Brahman to be one. Even then Bhagavan is taking the reference of Sankhya. Why? The knowledge that we have to apply, that in whatever system, even if you cannot accept the 100% thing, but whatever is good in that system can be adopted by us. So here also, Shruti, Yukti, Anubhava, based on 3, whatever is accepted by Vedanta from any other philosophy that is expected, that is accepted and that is referred to there in the Vedanta Shastra, like in this shloka, Guna Sankhyanē. Thank you.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति।